Throughout the Bible, God reveals himself as the healer, restoring bodies, hearts, and souls. From the very beginning, God introduced himself as Yahweh Rapha, the Lord who heals. God promised healing to his people, physically and spiritually. By his wounds we are healed. Isaiah 53. The Psalms remind us, God heals all diseases and sends his word to restore life. Jesus healed the sick, opened blind eyes, and freed the oppressed. Your faith has healed you. Mark 5:34. The healing didn't stop with Jesus. His disciples continued his work in his name. God still heals today. Through prayer, faith, and his word, healing flows. Whatever your pain or sickness, turn to the one who heals completely. Body, mind, and spirit. The God of the Bible is the God of healing. Believe, receive, be restored.